This is what we're up against. You can see there's a pond there and it's full of brambles, thistles, absolutely everything. And as we walk along here, you'll see what we've done. We've cut it hard back. Bob is busy raking through. But if you run a hedge trimmer tight against the ground where brambles, nettles, etc. are, you can actually rake it right off down to this. There's the pile of rubbish you can see. And there's our trusty tools that we've been using. One Stihl petrol hedge trimmer, one strimmer, and of course a blower and some chompers, as I call them. Not forgetting down here the Felco secateurs. Now let's just look along that where Bob's just fishing a bit out the water there. Look at that. You couldn't do a better job by hand. So resort to a machine, but use them very carefully. If you're clearing debris, you don't run your machine into rocks or wire or anything like that. Against the wire fence, we've gone along with secateurs and cleared it out nicely. There, another job done.